It's gonna be mushy. Yum yum on. I'm just like replying videos from you guys, replying comments from you, and you go in, I go out. And then you go. Telephone. Is this from downstairs, I guess, because I was talking to Tommy, so anyway, so I decided to go run to KFC because I'm gonna do mukbang. I'm just gonna go out. And do you wanna go out before I go out? What are you trying to tell Mama? Look at these dogs. You want to bring the bone outside. Excuse me. You cannot bring it outside. You cannot. Because I know if you bring it outside and then you forget about it and then you're wasting a bone. Because it's gonna get rotten over there. Not rotten. It's gonna be mushy. No, you cannot. It's the bug. Yaw pa more. Don't you dare. I told you, don't talk to me like that. I really get tired of your thing. Of your annoyingness. Guys, you don't like when I called her annoying? You don't see. If the camera is off, she just keep jumping on me and then she won't stop, guys. I have a lot of scratches already. And then she's just listening right now because that's how annoying she is. Because the camera is on, she just behave like a pro. She's behaving like a good girl.
We take a deep breath and stand together.
What do you want? Do you wanna do mukbang? Okay, I'll do mukbang. I will do you mukbang later. For you, just the dog. She want to do mukbang herself. Rox. Rox. She doesn't. When I called her, she doesn't even look at me direct. She look at you guys. What? 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 Nay muta, mutaun iru, mutaun nga iru oy. Dili mami oy, my eyes is clean because mama clean my muta oy. Mama clean my muta oy. So I don't have any muta on my eyes oy. How about you? Me too. Me too. My muta is gone. Mama clean my muta all the time. Mama is a good mama. She take care of me. She take care of me, guys. Mama take my muta out. And then she clean my paklang-klang because I have infection over there. Mama is a good mama. Oy. You guys, you should know Mama is a good mama. She clean my paklang-klang. She clean my paklang-klang, guys. Oops. Look at my eyes, guys. So clean. Because Mama clean my muta, oy. And I have a silo sister, Mama, right here, Mama. Very jealous sister, Mama. Oy, naku. I was editing outside at the back porch. Na ano ako, yung bubuyog, the bee came up to me and the bee guys came up to me and give me a kiss. I said, bite me, I'm going inside. I'm going, so that's why I came up here. I decided to just stay here upstairs because I'm more comfortable up here. I mean, editing. Instead of like, well, I'm supposedly be editing in my office, in my filming room. And ito yan, guys. Tommy was calling me, finger licking good, finger licking good, finger licking good, licking. And then we just keep laughing. I've been here 2 hours. Time check, it's 4:32 in the afternoon. And I can't even go to sleep. I'm just on my phone playing Panda Pet. See you later. Tell your friends. Tell your friends to see you later. Tell them. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Bye, guys. Hi, guys. Kain tayo. This is from Burger King, right? Yeah, this is from Burger King. Tommy got this yesterday. It's a Big Mac, guys. Big Mac.
Not a Big Mac. It's McDonald's. It's a Whopper.
Oh. Okay. There's no McDonald's. It's a big burger. Huge one. Huge. And then the Roxy is here. Let's eat, guys. Let me show you. Okay. There is lettuce, tomato, pickles, cheese, and the beef. And that's it. So good. So good.
I'm gonna rip off this fucking game, man.
He's still playing. I don't know what's the name of this. Do you know? Cheeseburger. So good.
I couldn't even hit close enough. You gotta be freaking kidding me.
Yeah.
Let's see if it gives me a free one.
No.
Did you eat that one off? Did you eat? Look again with the black screen.
Oh, what's going on with that, huh? Yes, I hear it enough. 1 minute. Oh, good. It's dripping. I told him to leave me some fries. It doesn't leave me.
It said 0, and then it still gave me a thing. Still let me play. Figure that out.
Really?
It said 0. You must have the cracked version.
No, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
That never die, never die. What was that?
If you're hungry, guys, if you're hungry after watching this video, go to McDonald's or Burger King or Wendy's. If you have Wendy's, they have good burgers too. Where did we get that? Burger King is have that. You guys try that also with that. This is there is a burger that I really love, that mushroom one. Oh my god, that's really tasty. Burger King, they have that.
Mushroom Swiss.
Yeah, the mushroom one, guys. Oh god, that's so tasty, guys.
Get this one just to get to the wall, to the door to your next level.
Why does it keep dripping? Oh, you're so juicy. That pickles gave it a saltiness. So good. That's why every time Tommy made burger sandwich, he put that pickles too. Yum yum. So yummers, guys. Bothers me. Tapos ubos. Sarap. Pero mas gusto ko pa rin pumunta sa Jollibee. I wanna do mukbang. I wanna go to Queens probably next Monday.
To where?
Queens. I'll take a train and then I'll meet Remy to go get my renew my passport, guys. And then I wanna do another mukbang with them. Thank you guys so much for watching with my short mukbang. It's just very short clip. And the weather for today is not sunny. Oh my god, I forgot to give this
Fucking piece of crap. Don't want to give me the colors.
Sorry, Rox. Sorry. I don't leave you nothing. I will get you. Want some treaties? Okay, I'm gonna go get you treaties. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching with my short mukbang. It's just one burger. What is wrong with my cell phone, huh? Anyway, thank you guys. Bye.
I don't know if it's a cell phone or a freaking game.
Anyway, guys, thank you all guys so much for watching my video. I appreciate it so much. Kita-kits bukas sa video. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye.
Sana'y lagi kitang kasama, maging miss na miss kita. Gusto ko sana'y mangyagap ka.
Wife questions, but she's the one who drives it.
No, only for 2 weeks now.
Are you kidding?
2 weeks